Hello, hi my dear students. Chali, let me start NEET ray optics. That is a very important topic for the NEET examination. Myself, Engineer Ashwini Srivastava. Let me start a topic that is a very important for the ray optics. Firstly, sign convention. So, what is the sign convention? Sign convention is a very necessary when we uh, do the various type of questions and NEET examination, CBSE examination, and all other examination. When you understand the sign convention in the mirror, then easily you solve the problems in comes in the examination. So let me start sign convention. What is a sign convention in the concave mirror and the convex mirror? So firstly introduce what is a concave mirror. So what is a concave mirror, my dear student? You know very well what is a concave mirror. Concave mirror is a nothing, it is a curved mirror like that shown in the figure. That is a curved mirror, that is a concave mirror. Second, where is a reflecting surface on, it is the inner side, that is the inner side is reflecting, that is curved surface, that is called the concave mirror. It is a surface is a curve inward, like that curved surface inward there is a polish in the another side, that is called the concave mirror. Light reflecting in this side, light reflecting in the this side, that is called the concave mirror. After the resembling shape of the inner surface, the hollow sphere, that is the inner surface like that the hollow sphere, because it is a part of this surface cut like that, then make the concave mirror. After the concave mirror, also the converging mirror, or concave mirror also called the converging, and convex mirror is called the diverging mirror. Similarly, vice versa is reversed when we study a convex and concave mirror. After that, the cause of the light ray is converged. In this you seen a light rays all the converge and come together after the reflecting. When we incident ray, let me start the sign convention is a here. Take a concave mirror like that, polished side is the outer word and inner is the reflecting ray. That is the object placed in this, that is the object height, that is represented by the HO, like that, that is a point is called the O is here where the object is placed. Then you light source come from this here, this is put on the principal axis, this black line is called the principal axis, that is called the principal axis PA. This one is an intersecting point on the concave mirror, this is called the pole, that is called the pole. After that incident right come and the reflecting, that is a passing here principal axis and intersecting their point is called the focus, it is called the focus. That is a distance between the pole. We define what is a pole. Pole is the intermediate of the principal axis and the concave mirror intersecting point is called the pole. So distance between the pole and the focus is called the focal length, that is called the focal length, which is represented by the small f. Clear? And C is the center of this because it is a part of the spherical mirror. So C is a point is here. What is C? C is the center of this concave mirror. So C is the center of, and where is a P? P is a here. What is this? Is the radius because any spherical surface contain of the radius. So you see in this point what is the distance between C and P? This is called the radius of curvature, which is represented by the r, which is represented by the r, radius of curvature between the pole, distance between the pole and the center C. Clear? My dear student, in this topic we discuss a sign convention. Where is the sign convention? So my dear student, we understand the very important thing and say, listen sincerely. What they say in this, pole is behave, when you study a sign convention, pole behave as a origin. Pole behave as a origin in the mathematically. So this is the origin. Toward this side is right side, that is always the positive direction, positive sign convention, and pole in this the backward direction, it is a left hand side, that is always the negative sign convention. This one is a very important sign convention for any mirror, concave also convex mirror. Clear? So pole is what? Pole behave like a nothing, pole behave like a origin, pole behave like a origin, that is in this direction, in this direction, that is always a positive, and this one all direction is negative is here. So my dear student, you seen what is the focus. And when what is the focus? So you can say what is the focus? Focus is nothing. Focus in this positive or negative? Positive and negative, because in this direction just show focus is negative is here. Focal length is negative because toward the left side from the pole. यानी कि we can say that is left side to the pole, it is called focal is negative. That is the image, that is the image is like that because the intersecting point of this point make a image. So what is the image distance? Image distance, image also represented by image is also represented by the V, and this is also toward this, so also consider the negative sign is here. Radius of curvature is also is a negative because it is also is here, that is a negative is here. Clear? So that is a sign convention of this. After that, convex mirror you seen, similarly that is a inner part of the polished surface and outer is the reflecting surface is here. Incident ray come from the object, that is a reflecting like that, and the focus is here. This one is a pole is here, and center of curvature is here. After you seen what is the, where is a focal is positive and negative, so my dear student, last slide we will discuss what is a pole. That is a pole behave like a origin. Pole is behave like a origin in a mathematics graphics. That is a positive sign is here and negative is here. Clear? So you can say there is a focus is here, focus in this here, so we can take a focus is positive. In this focus is positive, it will f is greater than 0. In this various examination, f is negative, what we can write, that is a f is what, that is a less than 0, because it is a in this focal concave. When last NEET examination, one question come in the focal length, when the concave mirror is here, so what is the focal length, positive, negative and 0. So my dear student, focal length is always less than 0, that is a negative is here, because in a sign convention we know very well, then we consider this answer is f is less than 0. After that you seen that is a convex mirror, there is a focal length should be the positive, that is a f is greater than is 0, and after that image is formed, image is formed, so image is also you see positive is here, radius of curvature also positive here in the convex mirror. Clear? After that we will discuss and conclude all things in here. When you see the lens, last in you see a mirror, in this case of mirror, in this case of mirror, when the parallel set of the beam reflected, then the focus, and similar to the lens, like that this type of sign convention is take for the mirror similarly as a lens. So we will consider as a lens is here, lens is here, positive lens is here, it is a pole at the principal axis here, positive toward to the right hand side, and negative to the left hand side, and upward is a positive, upward is positive when the object placed to the placed up to the principal axis take the positive, and image is downward to the principal axis negative. When the object placed in the downward direction take is a negative, and the object is placed to the principal axis take the positive. So nothing is more, but it is a principal axis. When the object is here, then positive, object is here, that is negative. Clear? Image is here positive, image is here negative. Then we consider simpler in this sign convention. We see a convex lens is here, positive sign is considered all here, and negative sign is here. Positive object is here or negative object is here. Similarly, convex mirror, positive is upward, negative is downward, positive left, positive in the right, and negative to the left. Whenever you consider the convex lens, focal length is always true, always is positive, always is positive. That is a very very important, because we will discuss in this here. When convex is a concave positive, less than convex क्या हो गया positive, तो convex is a positive here, because in the last slide we will discuss here sign convention of the mirror. Clear? It is clear? That is a similarly concave mirror, that is a focal length is a negative is a here. Done? Clear? So spherical mirror formula we will consider, that is a first we introduce a f. Focal length is equals to half of the radius of curvature. It is clear? Average student, clear? This is a general and special formula. And lastly, some questions come in the NEET examination. A radius of curvature is a given like that. Take some example. A radius of curvature of the mirror is 50 centimeter. Find focal length. Find the focal length. So how you find the focal length? So my dear student, nothing, it is a f is equal to r by 2. Put the value, that is a 50 by 2, and this should be 25 centimeter. So focal length is a 25 centimeter. It is clear? Done. Similarly, after the spherical mirror formula, what is a spherical mirror formula? That is a 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equivalent to 1 upon f. So what is the v? V is equals to image distance. V is equal to image distance from the pole. Image distance from the pole, and the u is nothing, u is a object distance, u is the object distance from the pole. And what is the f? F is a nothing, f is a focal length, f is a focal length, f is a focal length. After that, what you see, you find the image distance and image location. They generally use a formula and generally ask a question of this for concept. That is a very important concept for NEET examination. After you seen, that is a 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Take the LCM, that is a F into U. Take that is a U minus F is equal to 1 upon V. After that, you seen a inverted of this. There is a V is equal to F U upon U minus F. U minus F. So what is this? That is V is equivalent to, what is the formula? Fu upon this one is U minus F. U minus F. This is what? This is a location of image. This is show location of image. This is show the location of image. Clear? That is an important formula which is a described to the spherical mirror formula. Second, you find the object location. So similarly, you use that is 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon V. Take the LCM, that is a FV, that is V minus F. There is should be you seen that is a 1 upon U is here. So U is equivalent to FV upon V minus F is here. It is done. Clear? It is clear. That is show the location of object. Location of object. It is done. Clear? When ask the question in this formula, you use this V is equals to Fu upon U minus F when you find the location of image. When you find the location of object, then you use the formula U is equal to Fv upon V minus F. Clear? Take one question which comes in the last year, previous year question. Find the location of image and the height of the image. Done. So in this, you've seen a concave mirror is here. In this, F is equal to 20 centimeter is a given, and object height is a 3 centimeter, and object put 30 centimeter behind the pole. So what is the location of image is here. So my dear student, say in this picture, sincerely you seen and give the answer. First, I ask a question, what is the focus? What is the focus length? Positive or negative? Positive or negative? When you use a concave mirror, focal always negative. So focal length is a minus 20 centimeter is here. Clear? Done. And a last slide we will discuss pole behave like a origin. This is a forward distance is always positive and behind the distance is always negative. Upward distance is positive and downward distance is negative. Then so object behind, that is object is behind. So what is the distance of the object? So what you see, what you find, say. So my dear student, you seen what is the U is equivalent to positive and negative. There is a negative is a 30 centimeter here. What is the image? You calculate the value of V is find is here. So what is the V? Last slide we will discuss. V is equals to Fu. V is equal to Fu upon U minus F. U minus F. We will apply. Done. What is the F? Put the value is minus 20 is here. What is the value of U? Minus 30 is here. And divided by what is the value is minus 30 is here. And F minus is what? Minus 20 is here. Done. So multiply is minus plus is 600 is here, divided by minus 30 and minus 10. So that is a minus 10 is here. So there is a value is minus 60 centimeter is here. So image location of image is minus 60 centimeter from the pole. Done. So how the image formed? Where the image formed? So image is formed is 30 centimeter from the pole. There is a image is formed. So image is formed is here. Image is formed is here is 30 centimeter. 60 centimeter behind the pole. It is done. It is done. Whenever it is a negative, when it is a V is negative, that is an important remark is here. When the V is negative, when V is negative, image is real. Image is real. That is a very important. Image is real. Whenever V is negative, image is always real. That is important concept, because some questions is come images real, virtual, like that. So when in the put in the mind in here, कि whenever V is negative, then image is real. Done. First part is complete in this question. Image, location of image is 60 centimeter behind the pole, and this is real. And the height of the image, what is the height of the image? So my dear student, you find the magnification concept of magnification, transverse magnification, concept of transverse magnifications. Transverse magnification, what is the, my dear student, that is represented by the MT. What is the MT? So you take, this is the concave mirror. Clear? This is the principal axis. This is the height of the object. This is the height of object, which is represented by the HO. So my dear student, you can say that is a MT is equal to ratio of, that is a ratio of height of image upon height of object is equivalent to minus of V upon U. This is a very important formula for NEET examination, because much and many questions come this topic. Various questions come this topic. This is a 5-star topic. So you finding the height of the image. So you use, this is the formula. This is the formula. So how you find it? So my dear student, that is the height of image upon height of object is equal to minus V upon U. So what is the height of object? That is the height of object given 3 mm. So you write height of image or object. Height of image you calculate, and object is 3 mm. What is the value of V? V is minus 60. So put is minus 60. And what is the U? What is the U, my dear student? What is the U? U is minus 30 is here. So put the value of U is minus 30 is here. So that is calculate minus 2 times is here. H image, yani height of image is equals to minus 6. Minus 6 what is mm, because unit in mm, centimeter to centimeter cut ho jayenge, cut become a cut, only the mm is here. So height of image is minus 6 mm. So my dear student, image is like positive and negative. Whenever the image is downward, because a dimension is a height of image is what? So my dear student, you see like that, minus 30 is put like that. So it should be is equals to 2 is here, minus 6 mm is here. So image should be downward direction. Image should be downward direction. Image should be in downward direction. It is done. Clear? So image is real and inverted. It is clear? Done? Understand? So my dear student, I think this concept is clearly done in a ray optics. So meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.